Hi, guys and gals. Nice to meet you, Mark and Bent and JC, and welcome CH to the party, and Craig and Terry, Alan. Nice to meet you all. There's a little chat box. Happy Easter, Passover to everybody. Nice to see y'all. Thanks for stopping by. I'll show you some really amazing things tonight. Promise you that. And if we party together for a while, I know you're going to learn a lot more things. Education, learning, and a lot of profits. So this is my webinar tonight. I want to thank you for attending. And let's get into the action. My MOJO webinar, my MOJO Day Trading system. Anyone can be a stock trader. This is how I teach MOJO University on the same Zoom video conferencing system. And this stock actually just went public, Zoom, in the market last week. One of the stocks, Zoom, ZOOM, went from up 50,000% from a nickel, 0.05 to $7. People confused the two stocks. It was quite an amazing story, but it was a great day trading opportunity because it traded 1 million shares and went up 5 points in the last trading session. So start your own day trading business. Yes. And a friend in need. It's a friend indeed, folks. From the money-making man himself, Ben Franklin, right there. You need them the Benjamins. And I'm a friend indeed in the stock market. I've been trading for over 25 years. This is my wheelhouse. Know it like the back of my hand, my trade, master of my trade. And I've trained, mentored, and taught thousands of people now over the last 7 years. Not thousands have been in my trade room, hundreds I've taught. And many of them are still with me today. I'll show you that as well. But why are you here? Well, hopefully for the same reasons why I would be here. If I was you, one, you want to improve your financial situation. Your trading results may be lacking, or you want them better. And the risk versus the reward of being here is going to justify your move. You love the stock market. You hate your current way of making money. You love to make more money. You hate working so hard for so little money. And you love the freedom to work an hour per day and make more money than you would currently in a week in your current job. You hate seeing everyone else make more money than you, and they're not smarter than you either. You love the idea of telling everyone, I finally have made it. I'm living the dream. I make $1,000 every single day. And you hate working for someone else because you can't take any vacations. So you don't have any money. You live in paycheck to paycheck. You love the idea of banking profits, compounding results, and doing whatever the F you want to do whenever the F you want to do it. That's pretty much why you're here. I'm not showing you no candlesticks and no charts and Fibonacci's, and I'm not showing you none of that. I'm going to show you what I've shown other people and what I've done myself to be able to be in my office, in my house, and work every single day out of here. And if you stay to the end, you're going to learn my Heinz trading system. You're going to become a profitable trader. If you do, you'll get a copy of my best-selling e-video, How to Trade the Level 2. It's old school trading. It's how I do it. And 3.5 thousand in educational bonuses today. Show you one of the shows I did right here on March 1st. This is all within the last 60 days. BPTH, Biopath Holdings on March 1st. Stock was up $5, 212%, right down here in the level 2. Actually, I get a laser pointer going. I think I got that. Boom. So you can see that little red. And let me give a little mic check and a little screen test right now, if you don't mind, in the chat area. Ben, so one of you guys, give me a little test, mic test, and a little screen test, if you don't mind. Nice. Hey, John David, what's happening, buddy? Gary, how you doing? Nice. So we're a provider of stock market education, folks. We're not a broker or registered investment advisor. Please, this investment advisor with the U.S. Exchange, we don't require such registration. We're a financial show. We do shows 5 days a week on YouTube. And let me express, any written testimonials or descriptions of past performance are not indicative of future results. This is the typical disclaimer that needs to be mentioned before any kind of webinars. Now that we've got that out of the way, and go back to BPTH, which was alerted to go through $3 right here at the open. And it went 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This was from 9:30 to 11:30 in the first 2 hours of trading. BPTH nailed it in the Mojo room. Check this out. On 3/7, it went to 23. The other day was the first. This is 6 days later. It's up $11 from 17. It halts trading right here. And Alan alerted it at 9:34 in the morning. So 9:34, it was like at $8, $9 right here. 10, 11, 12. Then it took off. 9:37, it's 23. At 9:42, it's 27. Jump 5 points. 1,000 shares, you're golden in the Mojo room. This is on 3/7. $27. Then it moves 50 cents a second. Too fast for him. It went from 4 to 32 in the Mojo room. 800% in 2 days. Then it hits 40, 41. This is 39. 46 can't be stopped. Is it really 46? Then it went 53, 55, 60. Holy shit is right. Only if I held 100 shares. Everyone wished they held 100 shares. It went to $70. At 39, we all said, wow, and it halted. And it was just an amazing pick. On April 3rd, this was my Mojo Day Trading show on OPTT, Ocean Power Technologies. They make ocean power, like buoys that float and create electric. It's amazing. Power to the shoreline. Great stock. Went from $6.30 on the first spike right here on 22,000 shares right here at the open. And it continued off the first spike to $15.75 within 30 minutes. All picked in the, if you had 1,000 shares of that one at 6, you probably made 2 or 3 grand on that stock. On 4/11, a couple of days later from that, 8 days, 3 days of the month, you're huge. There's one of these stocks that come 3 days out of the 20. FTFT, pre-market trade alert in the Mojo room at $1 through Heinz, $1. And it went right there to $1.70, a 70% move. That's like me giving you Apple at 200, and then 30 minutes later, it's like 400. It's an amazing move. And you could have bought 2,000 or 3,000 shares of that one and made $1,000, $2,000. It's awesome. They happen huge 3 times a month like that. Take notes, folks. Trade with Mike, learn his system. Trade his system, keep the profits. Mike's a great trader. I've seen his videos. Start taking some notes, folks. Grab a piece of paper and a pen. Take some notes. Anyone can be a pro trader. In this webinar, I'm going to show you how anyone with a desire and some capital, you need to be interested and liquid, could trade the Heinz system, become a consistent, profitable trader. The Mojo Live class is going to be 8 hours, 4 classes, 2 hours each. It's meant to fast track your success and get you started making money, real money, as quickly as possible. If you're a beginning trader with no experience, or in advance with poor consistency, the system that I've developed will change your life and work wonders for you guys. I have let me see right here. Your trading style. What's your current way that you trade? You got the strategy, you got the system, or what do? You wing it? What do you do? There's a poll that just went up, guys, if you see that in the webinar. And these are the live class dates. May of 2019 on the 1st, the 2nd, the 5th, and the 6th. I'm going to do a live teach at 8 p.m. exactly what I'm doing right now to a small group of people, traders that I'm going to get to know personally on a day-by-day basis that I'm going to help succeed. And it's funny, the results of the poll is, I don't know if you could see that, strategy 3 out of 5 and system 3 out of 5. So it's cool to see with the poll, and I'll share the results. Check that out. That some of you have a system and some of you have a strategy. That's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you that a strategy is the rules behind the system. When you go into a casino and I play poker, I play pocket aces, pocket kings, pocket queens, pocket jacks, ace king, ace queen, ace jack, ace 10, and low pocket pairs in a 3-5. There's like 15 hands I can play. That's the system. How I play them when I get them is the strategy. Oh, pocket aces, I'm all in. Everyone folds. I win no money. But if I got pocket aces and I'm like, I'll call, raise you a little bit, see what you do. Oh, you're in? Okay, I call you, get a couple people in, and I check, let you bet, and I get you at the end for everything. It's the strategy when you get the good hand. It's when you're in a trade, how you get in it and out of it. The 3 E's, escape, entry, and exit. Show you that in Mojo University live class. So write those dates down. 8 p.m. on May, Wednesday, Thursday night, Sunday, and Monday. Let's do it. Okay. It's $997. I already put the links out in the chat if you just want to go sign up now, but you should wait just a couple minutes. Let me show you what else you're going to get. Start your own day trading business. It's A to Z. It's in Mojo University already. And yeah, voted the #1 online educational course since 2012. There'll be 10 students that will enroll in this class. I will help. I'm a good friend. I've been doing this since 2012. This is one of the polls that I took anonymously in Mojo U in 2016. Mojo University day trading portion is over. Have you learned what you paid for? Well, no, not what I paid for. None of them. I got what I paid for. None of them. Is it worth 10 times what I paid? 4 people, but 26 people said it's kind of priceless if you ask me, out of 30 anonymous votes. That's what I take pride in, 100% satisfaction guarantee. In what I teach and help, you will learn from and make money from, because that's what people already do. These are the mottos that you'll make with me. You'll have your own motto coming into your office like I do. You'll sit down. Mine is I'm a DGF, MFH, kick the market's ass, HTM every single day. That means I don't give an F because I'm a mother effing hustler. I HTM, I Heinz trade machine every day, and I kick the market's ass. I'm a freaking rock as a trader. I smash the markets every day. In control of my future, I'll dominate the market with skillful trading, patience, and self-control. I'm a wealthy, unstoppable money magnet. Success woke me up the market. It'll be my breakfast. Professional trader, businessman. Everyone has a motto, something that gets them pumped up walking in and psyched. You'll have your own. And you can see this is from one class at 9/12. It was your first homework assignment. Make yourself a motto at 9th, and then I want to see it in the chat room. And these are all the traders that made their motto. 200 a day will keep the 9 to 5 away. Follow my kick ass, take names, repeat. Scale in and out like a thief. Okay, it's beautiful. The online course I've taught for 7 years. The last 2 of my best online recordings are in MOJO University online course that are available to watch. It's $14.97. You're going to get it for free tonight. 2 online class recordings, 24 hours worth of my previous classes that I've taught. It's the most amazingest day trading and trading course that you could take out there. The most unique, fun and education and entertainment. And a lot of comments, 209 comments. And Mike teaches charts. They don't work. Hit your goal, shut it down, learn and discipline yourself. All my traders get one of these mouse pads. See? No pre-market, and hit your goal and you shut it down for the day. That's what we do. So you work with me, I get you one of those mousey pads. When you watch the videos online of MOJO University, leave a comment after each class. That's all I ask. Keep a positive attitude, do the demo, fund your account, surround yourself with positive people. Your fight is against yourself, not the pre-market. Hit your goal and shut it off. These guys know because they're watching. They see, here's what you're going to learn in class. How to set up your workstation. You can write this down. I'm going to teach you, and we're going to work together, how to set up your best platform to mimic mine. Because I'm going to screen share with you every day. And we're going to watch my platform in the MOJO Day Trade room. We're going to how to find stocks and which stocks you're going to be trading. 35,000 stocks, a million things blinking in front of your face every day. I'm going to show you how to focus on the hinds. It's a trade play I made up. I'll show it to you. I'm going to teach you in the class how to specialize in exchange traded funds, ETF trading. It's liquid and it's very profitable. I don't trade small caps, penny stocks, and things like that. Day traders don't do that. Swing traders do. And other traders that take bigger risk and really aren't trading throughout the day, they make one hit, they turn it off, they're done. With my system, you can come in anytime throughout the day from 9:30 to 4 o'clock, even in the pre-market and after hours, and you can utilize this system on anything that moves with a price and volume. How to achieve 95% trade accuracy when you trade. That's 95 out of 100 trades correct. How to read the level 2. Lift up the hood. Where's the supply and demand coming from? So I know 15 minutes before or 5 minutes before that chart goes bink, bink, bink on the upside or boom, boom, boom on the downside. What caused that? That's supply in the level 2 that I'll show you how to read, and you'll know how to make moves before the stock even does. How to avoid pitfalls of losing and compounding your daily profits to grow, how the other pro traders that are successful made it, and how to set up your business A to Z. I'm your friend. I'll help you get that set up. And my deal isn't thousands of dollars. It's $1,000 or 2 payments of $498. You can join whenever you'd like, because I'm going to take 10 people that I'm going to give my cell phone number to, be in the chat room, and you're going to show me all of your journal entries every day. I don't want to see your trade reports. I want to see what you've written down in your brain on that trade. What made you do it? What trade it was? Why, where, when, if you could have done better. And I'm going to tell you and critique it. Step-by-step process. As you register for the course that I'm going to teach in May, we're going to be together. You're going to register for my online course That's free. You're going to set up your demo trading platform. It's going to be loaded with $80,000 to prove that you could make money. If you can't make money off 80 grand, better go do something else. Go work for the man. Set up the chat room in your trader name. That's going to be free too. You're going to conquer the demo challenge with me. That's free. You're going to take the exam that I set up for you to make sure you know what you're doing. And then you're going to trade your real account with the money that you have. And you're going to start making money every day. Now, there's 3 levels of accounts. You can write this down. You're going to trade after class is over and you've been educated and you traded the demo just like I did and everyone else did. And you get critiqued and reviewed and you're making money on the Heinz system and you're like, wow, holy shit, this is the greatest. Thanks, Mike. I can't believe I'm going to write you a testimonial like everyone else has done. You'll start level 1 at 80 grand. Level 2, you'll jump to $160,000 trading account. And level 3, a $240,000 trading account. So let me know 1, 2, or 3 which level that you're going to be trading. Now, here's an example. Write this down if you want. Do the math. Everything I do is discipline and math. I reverse engineer everything. So let's reverse engineer. There's 20 days to trade every month. Now, I've done this for 25 years. I know what the 20 days are made of. 3 days in the beginning, you will lose. Some of the pro traders never lose, but I don't want to, put false sense of security in your mind. So we'll chalk up 3 losers at your max loss that you hit and your 3 grand loss already for the month. 8 days of the month are normal with steady goals of $250 to $1,000 on an 80 grand account. You'll average $500 for 8 days is $4,000. 7 days are above average with $500 to $2,000 profits, averaging $1,000 for 7 days. You will make $7,000. 2 days, you'll hit BPTH, FTFT, ACE-TAI, all these beautiful winners that we're able to hit. You'll get 2 of them for the month with an amazing $2,000 average. You'll make $4 grand, and I'm under promising and over delivering. That's how you make $12,000 a month at a 75% payout is $9,000 for the month in your bank. That's the math. Entry level number 1. It's a gift. A little bit about myself is I've been trading for over 25 years. Professional poker player, married with 2 kids, work background's extensive. My MOJO Day Trading room, I started 7 years ago in 2012, along with my swing newsletter. My first student, Pro Trader Alan, is still with me today. Been with me in the room. Started in 2013, over 40,000 Twitters, YouTube, and social media. Been doing it for a long time, folks. You're in good hands. I'm a good friend. You can connect with me all over social media. I'm sure you've seen me there. 52,000 followers on Twitter. I'm ProTrader_Mike on Twitter. And YouTube, I've made 1,700 live trading shows. Make an extra 1,000 day trading test drive, pre-market show, pre-market these stocks, moonshots, YECO, sick trades. See, boom, from 2 to 11. All these great shows that I do. So subscribe to my YouTube and you can check out my show. My MOJO Day Trading room is the bomb. I got the Discord trading room. Here's the MOJO room. I could slide her over. You could see on the bottom, I have 474 people that have offline now, 7 online, 1 Mojo trader there, and 17 pros, one of the moderators, and myself. And this is where I put out the picks in the room with the level 2 and the screenshots, and I tell you where it's going. And you could see DGAS 128.98. It's going to go through 129. 129.40 right there. That's called the Heinz trade play right there. Say DGAS 129, 129.23. And beautiful. That's how I put out the picks in the Mojo room right here. One after another, after another, after another. Okay. Mojo room's the best. So there's usually around 70 people during the day that are in the Mojo room. And that's where I share my screen with you. So if you look right here, and I'll give you 1 month free, I'm going to show you where the screen share is. So when you come in, you see it. If you come into this channel right here, screen share, there's a code and a link, and you put the code in. It changes every day. And then you'll be able to see my screen live. So write this down. It's $99 a month. You're going to get 1 month of the Mojo Day Trading chat room. I give you that. Real-time audio of me, just like I'm doing. 10 intraday picks. Money-making opportunities. I give you 1 month for free. Write that down. 1 month Mojo Day Trading chat room, $99 value. Level 2, understanding. This is how I teach Mojo U. It's called a learning board. It's a cool board with cool graphics. I describe what's on it, and I teach off of it. Shows bid and ask, supply and demand, and signal for direction. It's called a montage, the level 2. The left side's the bid at 472. The right side's the ask at 473. That's how it works. Higher or lower. You ready? See the stock? I'll describe it to you. It's called Fitbit. It's 10:50 in the morning. The high is 40.12. The low is 36.10. It's traded 7 million. It's 39.06 on the bid. 200 shares. 200 shares. That means people want to buy. This guy wants to buy 26,000. He wants to buy 300. He wants to buy 800. And these are the people that are selling at 39.11. 600 shares. 600 shares. 100 shares. And you have to know, which way is it going to go? Is it going to go to 39.50 and make 3 bars up? Or is it going to go lower to 38.70 and make 3 bars lower? Or 1 big bar up or 1 big bar down? That's what you have to know. And I know it, and I teach it like the back of my hand. Here's the poll. You ready? Hold on, and hold on. Ready? Level 2, launch. Let's see. Higher or lower? Some people are saying lower. Some people are saying higher. There's a big buyer. Couple of sellers. And if you bought 1,000 shares at 39 here, it's going to share. Watch. You ready? It's 39. Where is it going? 39.14. It's 11 o'clock by 39.20. Press the button. Is it going to be a buy to go higher or a short to go lower? 39.06 by 11. 39.14. Some people said higher. Some people said lower. The majority said lower. And you're right. It went to 38.30. So your 39,200 is worth 38,300 in 1 minute and 37 seconds. And that's by knowing the level 2. I knew which direction it was going before it even happened. It's 80% accuracy. If you follow these 2 rules, write them down, put them on a sticky in front of your computer as a friend. The trend is your friend. Stocks in motion, stay in motion. Don't fight it. You'll be 80% right if you know that when a large number comes on the ask, you see this ONTY at 947, the 241, the 1406 here, it went to 252 in 6 minutes because there was a large ask. See the big bid on ABio right here? Traded 17 million at 201. Now it's 30 cents lower on 24 million because it had a big bid. So you would be 80% correct in your trading if you just followed that as a friend. That's worth golden. It's worth the whole 997 right there, but I give you a whole shit and load more. I found a glitch in the stock market. Understanding Level 2 video is my best-selling video for 7 years. It is yours for free. Shall Allah you join me, friend, for $99. Write that down. Level 2 video, I'm giving you for $99. In the class, I will bring you from 80 to 95% accuracy in 4 different learning boards. Summarizing, the MOJO system is based on positive expectancy. You will journal and record every trade. You will trade like a businessman and not a trader. Only green stocks with huge volume. The 5 pillars of MOJO. And every time you look at the level 2, you'll focus your eyes on the biggest number of shares, either on the bid or the ask, and you'll work on your speed, first come, first serve. If you can accomplish those things, you'll be a 95% accurate trader. A la the 5 pillars of MOJO. Discipline, number 1. Math, number 2. Scaling, number 3. Buying power, number 4. And patience, number 5. And every one of these I will go over and you will master as a pro trader that has graduated my live class. I will show you how to set up your trade station and what hardware to pick. Simple. Simple. I will show you this all. And these are some of my pro traders and the workstations that they have. This is my, always got my cup of coffee right there. This is my trade station right here. What I got on my desk with my computers and my apparatus. I'll show you how to do that. This is my computer. Badass with 2 graphics cards. MOJO Day Trading, Apollo Digital Storm, CPU, hard drive, monitors, keyboard. I'll show you all of that in the class. Make sure your internet connection is up to speed, solid rock. Got to do a speed test. Speedtest.net. We got to see if you can catch the feed. When that data is coming in and you're in BPTH on 1,000 shares and it's going, dude, you don't want your bogged down. You want to be able to shimmy out of that with $5,000 profit for a $30 internet connection, bro. Upgrade through Comcast, AT&T, or whoever you use. I help you with that. Meet Pro Trader Mouse. Private in the room. You don't even know he's there. He's like a mouse. In August of 2014, this trader in the room, still with me today, made $1 million off 4 credit cards with 20 grand each. Was on the news, the radio. I have that on my website and the blog. Real true story right here. These are the chats in the room. We were chatting back and forth. This guy's like, I'm a small trader. 20,000 year to date, not counting today with Mike. He's just a trader. He's not a pro. Then you got like Pro Trader Mouse. I've been with Mike for 8 weeks, traded 7 of the 8 profit for 143K. And if you're looking to make $1 million this year with Mike on the Heinz move, you better jump aboard. You won't regret it. This guy made millions off this move I'm going to show you tonight. Okay. So this is one of the other cool trades. I did another amazing, one of my best. This stock went from $3 right here in the room to 11 in one day. So you went Heinz 3, Heinz 4, through 5, through 6, through 7. You're like, damn. You're like, Mousa. You're like 8, 9, 10, 11. So here, check it out. I'm like, dude, this stock is the sickest. I teach this thing called the Marabuzu close. How do you could tell when a stock gaps up the next morning? So I wake up at 7 a.m. It's up $1 at 11. I'm like, dude, this thing's close to 12. I can Heinz 12. It may go to 13. Then it'll touch 15. The move from 11 to 20 is the fastest move in the whole ladder of $1. And the move down from 20 to 10 and under the even number is the fastest move down. I teach that in the course. Check this out. So at 7 o'clock in the morning, the stock went from 1170 on 9,000 shares. They were supposed to $53 in one day. Like BPTH went from 4 to 70. This one went from 11 to 50 in one day. So outcome goals, major first stepping stone of who you are and what level you're going to trade. You're going to make $100 a day. You got to know your action. To $500 a day, you're going to make a 24 to like 120,000 a year, compounds. $1,000 a day is where you want to be. I want to wake up every day and not dig a ditch from 9 to 5 or be a yes man for someone from 9 to 5. I got to make $1,000 a day. More than that is gravy. Gravy. And most people, as indicated before you came in, you'll probably be on levels 1, 2, and 3. Most people would be good making $500 to $1,000 a day. I won't share the poll results, but I saw a lot of good ones. Thank you. So write down what you make a year making $1,000 a day. There's 20 days, math, 12 months, 240 days, $1,000 a day, 240,000 a year. Let's do it. I'm your friend. I'll help you get there. This guy, my first student, paid me $2,000. First person I ever taught one-on-one. First member of the MOJO Day Trade team, and he's still with me today. I'm proud as could be. Pro Trader Allen, met me on Stock Twits. This was the first goal he hit. He hadn't lost one day in 2 years and 1 month. He went 500 days without losing one day in the stock market. Scout's honor, folks. 7 years. He's a master. He's taken Mojo U 7 times, and he'll take it again in 2017 as a refresher. It's now 2019, 3 years, 235, 705 days in a row without losing. Yes, he has losing trades, but he doesn't lose for the day, and that's his trade station. Pro Trader Allen, folks. You should all be like him. 6 years, $2,000 a day for 200 days. Do the math. 1,200 days is $2.4 million. Retire me. 1 losing day in 6 years. I remember the day. As long as you can trade Mike's picks, you're golden. That's Ramey and Allen and Mike D all in the room. Pro Trader Bohan, showing you proof these guys have been with me since 2014. He's in the room right now. Here he is. Bohan right here in the room. He's been on a subscription with me. He's paid me $5,000 since June of 2014. Bohan, Bruce right here. See him? Still live today. Yes, I've enjoyed every minute. Best room without a doubt. Right there. Pro Trader Tyrone, still with me since 2015. PayPal subscription, $3,800 initial payment. He's on a recurring payment of $300 every 3 months. Right here, he watched his account grow, making big dollars with Mojo. These are the testimonials that hopefully you'll be writing for me as a friend. Colin, since 2014, has entrepreneur amazing with the money he makes with the Mojo, taking his family on vacations. I met him in New York. He owns restaurants. He's very, very successful. It doesn't matter if you're younger or you're older. You make $1,000 a day, it'll compound. Then you'll make $2,000 a day. Then you can build that up and go even more. Okay, because you got the system. It doesn't matter if you're an international trader as well. It doesn't matter. International is just fine. This firm and Mojo, we don't discriminate. We take you all over. Doesn't matter. All over the world. Come on by. What I'm going to do with you is help you learn from your experience, break the cycle of small gains and big losses, and you're going to become your own teacher and a better trader. You're going to journal everything. You're going to send it to me in the MOJO Day Trade room in your chat. And you're going to keep a journal every single month, just like that, pen and a piece of paper, and you're going to write down everything, and we're going to trade together. You're going to keep a log on every single trade, what you bought, the symbol, the entry price, the exit, how much you made, the total P&L, the share you made, the winning percentage, and your notes, what trade play it was, why you did it. And then there's going to be a section after that for my notes, because we're going to share this in a shareable Google Drive, and I'm going to help you get better. You're going to track your results. Look, goal 10,000, 20 days. Made 500 on July 4th. Yep, actually made 665. I hit my goal. I did 5 Heinz trades. On the 6th, I made 898, 5 Heinz trades. 1,300, boom, boom, and all the way down, and you'll hit your goal. And bonus number 3, 297 is my toolbox. That has that tracker in it. Has all the glogs and all the little tools that you're going to need in your toolbox to be a successful trader. All the things that I use, folks. Write that down, 297 for free. I'm giving it to you. And if you want to be successful, dude, just follow and copy someone like you're in class. You get to sit next to the smartest kid in class and the smartest whole room of traders and copy off of them. They allow you to do that. In school, you never were allowed to do that. You got in trouble. But now you can do that. Copy and get the similar results. You'll be unbelievably successful, folks. Here's the Heinz trade. It's a glitch that I figured out in the market. When a stock is just under an even number and it's going up and it's green, 455, 85, 200, 100, 15, 8, 12, it doesn't matter. At 390, it's going to go through 4. At 1490, it's going through 15. At 4490, it's going through 55. At 2790, it's going through 28. I can G it. My challenge to every student for 7 years, 100% money back guarantee, folks. Show me a Heinz trade that damn don't work. I have never seen one. No one has ever shown me one, and you can't prove to me one that doesn't work. As long as it doesn't come from down the block, like it starts at 20, 30, 40, 50, and now it's at 90. Yeah, it may not go through. I don't even want it. But if that thing's hovering, it goes 80, starts 80, 78, and it goes 90, 90, dude, it's going to Heinz. I've done 10,000 of them in a row. And if you don't believe me, come join me and join that challenge. And I dare you and challenge you to try to prove me wrong and yourself that, yeah, I could show them one that doesn't work. It won't. It'll work every time. You'll see right here, 838.30 UV. The ETF is at 32.98 by 33.04. It's going through 33. Boom. Right here, it's 33.03 by 13, 33.22 by 25, 33.43 by 50. Just like that. Boom, they go. The bigger ones go up 50 cents like that. Easy. So how do we make money? The Mojo Heinz system is the profit system. Heinz is the business. Everything else you do is fun. You'll lose. You can make money on the Heinz and then you can F around and give it back or try to gamble and go to the craps or the roulette or the slots on something else. But if you want to go to the ATM with the card and the free number and the money that pops out, you got to just stand there and execute and only press it when it's at 90. And I'll show you how to execute in and out in the class. Buying low, selling high for a profit, day trading and being in a cash position by 3 o'clock. Heinz trade going through 3 right here into 320, into 4, into what's called a rail grind. Selling into rail grind at prices taught into Mojo Traders in the university online course that you're going to learn how to maximize a trade when it goes from 3 and not selling it at 305 and 310. How to ride it all the way up to $4 and even more. It's called the rail grind. A la my learning board. Check this one out. Once the trade gets above the second green bar, see it? The stochastic, see this pink line? It moves up. You're like on a chairlift. I'm riding the chairlift, blah, blah, blah. I get off. Now I'm riding my snowboard. I'm on that rail right here. And I'm, ooh, look at that. I launch. I do a trick. Woo, come down. I launch again. Woo, and again, and again, and again. And I'm just riding this thing. As long as it stays above that line and the volume push is keeping me there, I'll ride this thing. Look at that. And that's called the rail grind. One of the great things I teach to you on how to stay in a stock without looking at the P&L or the price, just looking at that line. It's one of the great moves out of many that I'll show you and we'll go over in class. If you're a rookie and a beginner, I'll hook you up with this as well for free. It's like, what's the stock market? What's a Bollinger Band? What's a chart? What's this and that? That's in the school I put together. It's $397, bonus number 4, write it down. It's like, what is day trading? Stocks 101, stocks 102. 103, 104, the importance of a Mojo routine, trading responsibility, level 2, typical day trading day, 95% accuracy. And there's a quiz at the end of every lesson. There's like 6 stocks 101 to 105. And that's free for you to take, no problem, along with the online courses. So you can write that down, $397 value add, Mojo Day Trading School. So here's some of the meat and potatoes. Before committing real dollars, you get hooked up with the $80,000 paper account because you're going to get an $80,000 real account. So I want to see, and you want to see, how the hell you're going to trade that account before risking the real money in the account and freaking losing. Let's prove some profitability and consistency, and don't make stupid mistakes that the other traders are not making the mistakes on. Do you know why Tiger Woods, Rory, Dustin and all those guys, they win each week on the PGA Tour, week after week after week. Do you know why they win and the other guys don't? It's one of the things I teach. Because they don't make stupid mistakes. Yeah, like they know what they can do, and they don't go for it and make a mistake. They're consistent and profitable. So what they do is they challenge any rookie. They say, look, you come out and play with me and I'll help you become a better player. So I'll help you become a better trader. You'll have a demo account for 80 grand, trade it for the 1 month, the 20 days. We'll record every one of those days. You'll trade according to the account parameters. You'll hit your goals and don't exceed your loss limits, and trade profitable for at least 2 of those weeks. Then you're ready to rock and roll, boys. Simulator has 80K in it. You trade like this. Look, Amrin, 400, Neo at 5, Hines. Look, Amrin, 1897. I traded it through Hines 19 and made 421. Neo at 501. I traded through Hines 5 and made 355. Tiger at 13. I wish I would have had that. Now it's at 20. I lost 353 on Tiger, and Tilray through 65 at 60.49. I was down 102 at the time. And this is these are the kind of things you can trade right there. 1,000 Amrin at 9, and you can be in all these positions at one time. You monitor your trades. You got the level 2. You got the high-low list. You got the charts. It's exactly like trading, and it's the exact platform that we all and I trade on. And I'll share my layout with you. That's exactly like this, the market watch and everything. So this simulator is real-time data. You go to any trading firm and they charge you $149 for that feed. This is included, and you get my coaching every day. If you don't send me your results and these screenshots every day, you ain't doing your job. You ain't going to do better. And if you think you're bugging me, it's the opposite. You're bugging me if you don't do it. So I'm your friend. My trader layout is yours free. Definitely you can have that. You just take the file and broop, it opens up my screen on yours. $149 value add, the demo and my layout, and my coaching is priceless. In the course, you get the trade playbook. You'll learn some of the most amazing lingo and trades that go happening in the room. The Hines, the V-Band, the Cupid, all these babies, the Hines, the Hulk trade play, 3 gamma green bars in the first 15 minutes. I call out at the open. Dude, this shit's going to rock all day. And I'll tell you when it's going to move in class. The green, jolly green giant, the first 5-minute bar sticks up like a green thumb, like a green bean, causing the open, calling out the green giant. Oh my God, that's a rockin' trade play. Then the Gonzo. It's so cool. Pro Trader Mike named one of his trade plays after me. I wonder what it means. Learn it in school, in the MOJO class. Dude, it's a pre-market indicator and the level 2 resulting in the day's biggest winner of the whole day. You got to learn that one. The WOW trade play has worked 800, maybe at 800 times in a row. Could be 700, could be 6, a lot of hundreds in a row. It's never not worked. And if you don't come tonight, I want you to check it out. The next time you're in a trade and you sell it and you're like, wow, look at that thing fucking go. Rebuy it back immediately. It's going higher. I'll say it again. Like BPTH, ATI, Amris, you name the stock. You just buy it and sell it. And then you're like, wow, that thing's not stud. Rebuy it. It's going higher. It's 100% win rate. I'll teach you that one too. The lemon squeeze trade play is pretty cool. How to recognize when the trade is over. The Cupid top. the STO drop under 80%, causing you to be flat on the trade, used as an exit and entry guide, focusing on the biggest size on the level 2. Remember, first come, first serve. You got to learn how to get the hell out of the trade in class. I'll teach you that over and over. And if you got trouble with the platform, I'll log in to your computer and I'll jimmy around and help you set it all up. Dude, unmatched personal support. You're not going to call my 800 line and speak to one of my customer service representatives. I promise you that. Daily videos, I do one of those every day. Mojo Live class, boys. There it is, $9.97. I'd love to have you in. Here's what you're going to get. My live class I'm teaching in May, first week. You get my online class, 1 month of the chat, level 2 video, the toolbox, the school, and the simulator. It's $35. And the links are there. Love to have you aboard. I'm going to be doing 4 of these webinars before the class. I'm taking 10 students. 3 students to 4 from the chat room that have been waiting for me to do a live class are already in. That I could tell you. So there are a couple of seats open, and I'd love to have you. So here's what you get. You can write it down. It is life-changing for you because the risk reward is upside down. For so little risk, you get such a huge reward by working with me and the Mojo Room and the traders and being able to trade an $80,000 to $250,000 account in no time and keeping the majority of what you make and growing the crap out of yourself and your bank account, which will change your life. That's what you're going to be getting for $9.97. Everything. Telling you. So the Webby package is right here. It's on my website. And that's it. I hope to have you aboard. Here's the Mojo website. It's Webby promo. I'm going to leave it up tonight. 9 o'clock. Only took him less than an hour. Beautiful. Right to the point. Bence, I'd love to have you aboard. Craig, Kathleen, Mike, and Pete, Peter, Sam, and Stu. What do you guys, any questions or anything? Have you right aboard. Click Webby promo right here. It ends, man. That's it. And this is going to end on the 30th because I'm going to get to 10 people. I trade myself. I take care of the whole room. I don't got time for 50 people in a class. And I'm not going to dish you on and make you pay thousands of dollars and dish you off to someone else like the other companies do. They got thousands of people in the room and they handle hundreds of traders each month. They can't. JB and RC and BF, they ain't giving you the personal shizzle dizzle. You ain't getting them. TM, TS, they all ain't. I'm the real deal. I'm a good friend. I'm telling you, my live class in May, it's probably the only one I teach this year, probably. Online record. I got some big things going on with some trading. So I'd love to help you. $9.97, 1 payment. And if you can't do the 1 payment, dude, I'm your friend. $4.98. Do it in 2 payments this month and one next month. That's it. Go ahead. Mike's allowed to talk. Whatever you want. Randy says Mike's the real deal and good friend. Yeah. There's the website right there. Webby promo. Here's the courses right here. Nice video on how I got started. And here's the courses. You can see all the courses right here and click. And then you get taken to the Mojo University where you're going to sign up. And then once you sign up, you're going to be able to get the online course right here, $14.97. This one's $9.97. You can sign up there as well. I'll leave that open. And right there, $14.90. So these are the courses. You got to enroll to unlock it. Class 1. Beautiful. Sully needs to step up. That would be great, Sully. You get everything. You could start watching these online classes now. So when I do the live class in May, you've already freaking rocking and rolling. Dude, it's a no-brainer. This alone is $14.97. 7 years ago, Alan paid me $2,000 to teach him. I'm giving you an Easter special. Could have charged you more, but I want to hook you up. I'm your friend. Alan, see, Sully, he knows. Alan kills it every day. He's on a cruise now. He's on vacation. He's loving it. So I'd love to have you in there too. Unlocking the courses, making stuff happen. Big stacks. Home-based business, baby. Oh, that got open. Yeah, absolutely. I help people. How come this shit's doing that? From current slide. Ain't gonna work. Day trading Webby. My thing's not working. Now I gotta fast forward. There we go. It's messed up. It's like mixing up the stuff. It's not letting me do it. All right, anyway. Don't save. Save. Nice. Can't wait for tomorrow, man. It's going to be an amazing day. Thank you, Sully. Thank you, everybody, for attending the webinar. Thank you for the guys. I'll check the email. I got a couple people that joined the class. I'll make another one for the next one. And I'll do one or two more of these webinars, allowing people that are not here tonight. So if you've been here tonight, you can't come to the next one. The chance to sign up and rock and roll with me. Peace. Thank you so much, and have a good night.